The city. Beautiful townsfolk. The city is a wonderful place called Blockville. Blockville is an interesting city, and it's been hit by hurricanes many times. So, we will do a hurricane video on. Oh God. Action.
Beautiful.
So everyone in the city of Brickville, Legoville. So, my
Free
king.
chili dogs. Get your free chili dogs. Okay, wait your turn. I'll go get your chili dogs. Here's yours. Thank you. 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 Thank you. And thank you. Beautiful. Kelly. Oh, why?
Without your crutches? I just came back from the bakery.
Put the cake. And we Another cake sideways. Okay, I got this. Yay! Lighter.
Oh gosh! Finally! Phew! Okay, now let's continue.
Let's go to the bakery.
Hurricane! 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 Everyone into the hurricane shelter! Okay, everyone! Stay inside the walls! Stay on the walls, everyone! What are you doing? Stay on the walls, everyone! Stay on the walls until the hurricane passes. Everyone, organize their blockies so we can continue on the hurricane. Everyone is safe right now. Do not attempt to go out in the hurricane. I repeat, do not go outside in the hurricane. I'm scared.
I do think I really want to check outside.
Don't freak out. We have the doors locked. No debris should enter in.
Then how did this get in? Huh?
Well, there must be a special way. And there we go. We're so scared. I tripped. Remain calm, everyone.
I think this thing is still big.
Everyone wake up. Everyone, is everyone okay? Gather around to find any survivors. Everyone? Wake up, you! Wake up!
What happened? Wake up! Wake up! What?
I'm almost dead.
You go?
Okay,
Hi, everyone. Is anyone alright?
Mr. Handsome Face, and I see what you're handsome.
Is everyone alright, everyone? Yeah. The whole city has been destroyed. Yeah, we'll find out at the end. Everyone, finish building
I love
Brickville.
you so much. So much.